Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix there are currently no power options available in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type gpedit.msc. Click on OK to open up. Under user configuration you just need to expand the administrative templates and select the start menu and taskbar. On right side you just need to find remove and prevent access to the shutdown. Remove and prevent access to the shutdown, restart, sleep and hibernate commands. Just double click on it. Set this to not configured and select apply and OK for save changes. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.